Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, how many zeros are there in the 1 billion? A 6, B 7, C 9, D 12. The correct answer is option C 9. Next question, who was the first man to walk on the moon? A. Nelson Mandela, B. Buzz Aldrin, C. Neil Armstrong, D. Michael Collins. The correct answer is option C. Neil Armstrong. Next question. What is the term used to refer to an infant kangaroo? A. Kid, B. Joy, C. Calf, D. Cub. The correct answer is option B. Joy. Next question. What is the first successful vaccine developed in India? A. Malaria, B. Polio, C. Measles, D. Smallpox. The correct answer is option D. Smallpox. Next question. What is the largest country in the world by land area? A. Canada, B. USA, C. China, D. Russia. The correct answer is option D. Russia. Next question. Anemia causes a deficiency of A. Vitamin D, B. Vitamin C, C. Iron, D. Protein. The correct answer is option C. Iron. Next question. In which discipline is Tiger Woods a star athlete? A. Golf, B. Table tennis, C. Basketball, D. Lawn tennis. The correct answer is option A. Golf. Next question. How many strings does a standard guitar have? A. 6, B. 5, C. 7, D. 9. The correct answer is option A. 6 strings. Next question. How many circles are there on the Olympic flag? A. 6, B. 5, C. 4, D. 9. The correct answer is option B. 5. Next question. What types of gas do balloons usually contain to make them float? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Calcium, D. Helium. The correct answer is option D. Helium. Next question. Which bird is often associated with delivering babies? A. Stork, B. Owl, C. Eagle, D. Penguin. The correct answer is option A. Stork. Next question. What is the sum of angles in the triangle? A. 90 degrees, B. 360 degrees, C. 270 degrees, D. 180 degrees. The correct answer is option D. 180 degrees. Next question. Which gas is more responsible for global warming? A. Methane CH4, B. Nitrous oxide N2O, C. Carbon dioxide CO2, D. Carbon dioxide CO3. The correct answer is option C. Carbon dioxide CO2. Next question. In which year was the United Nations founded? A. 1945, B. 1965, C. 1955, D. 1975. The correct answer is option A. 1945. Next question. In chemistry, what does pH stands for? A. Power of hydrogen, B. Potential hydrogen, C. Pure hydrogen, D. Partial hydrogen. The correct answer is option A. Power of hydrogen. Next question. In what year did the Titanic sink? A. 1889, B. 1920, C. 1906, D. 1912. The correct answer is option D. 1912. Next question. What is the world's largest island? A. Borneo. B. Greenland. C. Australia. D. Natureland. The correct answer is option B. Greenland. Next question. Which sport is known as the beautiful game? A. Soccer. B. Basketball. C. Tennis. D. Handball. The correct answer is option A. Soccer. Next question. What is the chemical symbol for silver? A. Ag. B. Si. C. Au. D. H. The correct answer is option A. Ag. Next question. Which country is famous for inventing the sauna? A. Finland. B. Norway. C. Sweden. D. Brazil. The correct answer is option A. Finland. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.